I think many people in Germany and many companies just don't have a clear idea what Vietnam is like. That's why we use this opportunity to show people as many different facets of life in Vietnam as possible. The city of Saigon that has suddenly and somewhat surprisingly become known as an international pulsating metropolis with 10 million inhabitants, which no one had on their radar before. We try to show Vietnamese companies from the inside. We try to show German companies from the inside, and to highlight and underscore as much information as possible with first-hand impressions. That's why an open factory concept is actually the best thing that could happen. It's good when we explain that to companies, but has quite a different quality when anyone, even companies from Germany or Vietnam, come to watch our manufacturing and see firsthand with their own eyes how everything can be organized and structured.
Nhưng mà thời gian sau này các con nó lớn lên thì
Thanks to my work at Mounttech, I was able to watch my children grow up. I had a stable monthly income, which made it possible for my husband and me to instruct our children accordingly and send them all to school.
Ổn định xong rồi về lo cho các con trong nhà, rồi cho nó ăn học, rồi ông xã ông cũng làm phụ vô hai chồng nuôi các con cho nó lớn lên rồi xong cái.
At the age of 19 years old, my daughter 10 decided to finish her school education with a secondary school certification, and I put her in touch with Mounttech.
Today it is the case that no foreign company that buys from Vietnam can afford to buy from a company that has not been certified in accordance with a social standard. This means a brand's social responsibility in Germany, for example, goes far beyond the country of Germany itself. And you have to ensure that this brand complies with the social standards in the individual countries.
Our task at Mounttech consists of sewing backpacks. When we develop new products, my colleagues and I work on the process optimization until we are all satisfied. This continuous challenge is my motivation for working here. When I do my best at work here, I will also be rewarded accordingly. I am glad that my successful work is valued appropriately.
I think the concept that Mounttech uses with truly in-house production is found very rarely in the textile industry, at least in Vietnam. It is more an exception. There are still one or two other German textile companies that also produce under their own management. All others actually manufacture with Vietnamese or even Taiwanese subcontractors. Of course, that is more and more difficult. But for the companies that have this opportunity, factors like confidentiality or secrecy may have to play a subordinate role. Any company that basically has similar conditions to Mounttech's would actually do well to take a closer look at the concept and perhaps also implement it.